Most Etsy sellers spend countless hours optimizing their listings and refining their keywords, hoping to increase their sales. But eventually, they hit a ceiling that simply can't be broken through organic traffic alone. The reality is that true growth requires bringing visitors from outside of Etsy, and one of the most effective ways to do that today is through video advertising. The problem, however, is that video ads are often expensive and incredibly time-consuming to produce. Creating just one professional quality video can cost hundreds of dollars once you factor in filming, editing, revisions, and ongoing adjustments. And when your store contains dozens of digital products, such as coloring books, educational printables, planners, worksheets, and downloadable resources, the challenge becomes even bigger. Producing unique video ads for every product quickly becomes unrealistic. From both a time and cost perspective, it simply doesn't make sense for most sellers. That's why so many Etsy store owners remain stuck at the same sales level, even when they have outstanding products that customers genuinely want. The issue isn't the quality of their products. It's the inability to consistently create video advertisements at the scale required to promote their entire catalog effectively. This is exactly where Creatify comes in and changes the game. Creatify solves this problem by automatically transforming your Etsy or Shopify product link into a ready-to-use video advertisement. All you have to do is paste your product URL. The platform will analyze the product, pull the images and key information, and generate a professional-looking video within minutes. No filming, no complicated editing, and no need to hire a videographer or video editor. Even better, you can generate multiple versions of the same advertisement and test different variations to see which one performs best. This allows you to create video ads faster, scale your marketing efforts more efficiently, and promote more products without dramatically increasing your workload or advertising production costs. Let's say I have this amazing book listed on Etsy. I've already created several pages for it, published it on Etsy, and designed a professional cover as well. Now the big question is, how do I create a video advertisement for it? First, I want to post it on social media and generate organic sales. Then I can launch paid ads for the same book and potentially achieve even better results. And you'll be able to see the difference for yourself. So instead of talking about it theoretically, let's jump straight into the practical demonstration. We're going to head over to the fantastic platform called Creatify. You'll find the link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment below. By the way, they offer a free plan that gives you 10 credits every month, so you can get started completely free. Go ahead and try it out right now. When you first enter the platform, you'll notice that there are many powerful tools available. Don't worry, we're going to explore them together step by step in a completely practical way. If you navigate to the Agent section, you'll see that everything is very straightforward. The first option is Chat, where you can have a conversation with the AI and get assistance with whatever you need. But for this example, I'm going to click on the Product option. Once I'm there, all I need to do is paste my Etsy product link, or a product link from virtually any other website, right here. The platform will automatically analyze the product, gather the images, collect the product information, and pull everything it needs. Then we'll simply click on the Create Product button. Honestly, I'm impressed by how easy it is to create advertisements using this platform, and you're about to see why. After a moment, you'll notice that your products appear here automatically. All we have to do is select the product we want to promote. Then, with just a few clicks, I'm going to ask the platform to create a UGC-style advertisement for this printable product. And as many of you already know, digital products can be very difficult to advertise effectively. Creating engaging promotional content for printables, planners, coloring books, and similar products is often a major challenge. But this tool makes it surprisingly simple. In just a few moments, you're going to see the impressive results for yourself. Right now, the platform is generating descriptions for each page of my book. It's also creating the character who will appear in the advertisement. On top of that, it's generating the music for the video as well. What's really nice is that every component is separated and editable. You can review each section individually and ask the AI to change anything you don't like. If a scene doesn't look right, you can modify it. If part of the script needs improvement, you can adjust it. Everything is flexible and easy to customize. Personally, I think the result looks fantastic. So at this point, all I'm going to do is tell the platform to continue. Now it has generated the complete scene breakdown for the video. It has also created several short video clips that can be reviewed before they are combined into the final advertisement. I've already reviewed all of them, checked the script, verified the scenes, and made sure everything looks good. And now comes the best part. The platform has finished putting everything together. The scenes are ready, the script is finalized, the visuals are complete, and the video advertisement has been assembled. So let's take a look at the final result together right now and see exactly what this AI-generated ad looks like in action.
Hey parents, if you have a toddler at home, you are going to love this printable coloring book. It's called My First Animals Coloring Book. 30 adorable pages where toddlers color cute animals and trace their names. Every page builds real skills, letter recognition, fine motor development, creativity. It's so much more than just coloring. Print it out at home and reuse it as many times as you want. Or go digital on a tablet. It's an instant PDF download. Grab it now, link in bio.
As you can see, I was genuinely impressed with the result from the very first attempt. One of the things I really liked is that I was able to review every single step throughout the process, which made it incredibly easy to make adjustments before reaching the final video. In fact, I didn't request a single change because the result was already impressive enough for me. But here's the exciting part. It doesn't stop there. What you're about to see next is even more impressive. If I click on the workflow option, the process becomes even more powerful. Here, you can provide a much more detailed description of the advertisement you want to create. For this example, I instructed the AI to analyze my product and also analyze the behavior of potential buyers who would be interested in that product. Then I asked it to create 3 completely different advertisements that I could use in advertising campaigns. The goal is simple. Launch multiple ads, identify which one generates the most sales, and then focus my budget on the winning advertisement. Next, I'm going to repeat the exact same process with a children's coloring book. I'll head over to Etsy, copy the product link, and paste it right here so we can see what kind of results we get this time. Personally, I find the workflow option to be more precise because it allows you to provide significantly more details and instructions. It feels slightly more advanced and is probably geared toward users who want greater control over the final result. However, even with those advanced capabilities, Creatify still keeps the process simple and easy to use. Now you'll notice that it automatically opens a beautifully organized Canvas workspace. The AI agent is working on the right side, while everything else is laid out clearly inside the canvas. And what makes this even more impressive is that the canvas isn't limited to creating advertisements. You can generate standalone images, videos, audio content, and even edit your videos however you want. The flexibility here is incredible. My friend, this platform can be used for much more than just ads. You can use it to create complete projects, entire videos, and even assist with building digital products. Whether you're interested in creating digital products for Etsy, marketing content, promotional videos, or other creative assets, the platform offers a huge range of possibilities. It's not limited to advertising, although advertising is definitely one of its strongest features. Now, let's take a look at the results of the 3 advertisements that were generated. I have to say, I am genuinely impressed by what I'm seeing. The platform thoroughly analyzed the advertising strategy inside the agent panel. Then, within the Canvas workspace, it started by creating the main character. After that, it generated multiple scenes featuring that same character, ensuring visual consistency across all 3 advertisements. It didn't stop there. The platform also pulled in all of the images from the coloring book and intelligently integrated them into the advertisements. Everything was connected in a structured and highly organized way to build complete ad campaigns. The workflow feels incredibly professional, yet the process itself remains simple and accessible. So now, let's watch the results of all 3 advertisements together. I think you're going to be amazed by what you see.
Okay,
I'm the dad who printed this at 7 a.m. because my daughter asked for the farm one before breakfast.
60 pages. Cows, pigs, ducks, sheep, chickens, all cute, all easy to color. My kids have done 12 of them already.
It's an instant PDF download, no waiting, no shipping. Find the link in bio and grab it now.
I used to dread rainy Saturdays when we had nowhere to go and my kids were bouncing off the walls. Then I found this, 60 printable farm animal coloring pages. I hit download, printed 10 pages, and the house went quiet in under a minute. Instant download, print at home, ages 4 to 7. Grab yours today. Link in bio. My son named every single animal on these pages. I didn't even know he knew what a duckling was.
This farm animals coloring book builds animal recognition, fine motor skills, and focused quiet time for ages 4 to 7.
Perfect for homeschool, travel, or quiet time. Instant download PDF. Link in bio, print it today.
Honestly, I'm amazed myself. With a single click, I received this entire professional advertising blueprint, a process that previously could have taken hours of planning, designing, editing, and organizing to achieve the same outcome. And as I mentioned before, you have full control over everything. You can create, customize, edit, and refine every part of the project with a level of professionalism that would normally require multiple tools and a significant amount of time. That's what makes this platform so impressive. And it doesn't stop there. There are still many incredible tools inside this platform, and I'm pretty sure you're already impressed by what you've seen so far. If we go back to the main dashboard and open the Tools section, you'll find a feature called Asset Generator. This tool allows you to create images, videos, and audio using some of the latest AI models available today. For image generation, you'll find cutting-edge models such as GPT Image 2. And for video creation, the platform uses powerful models like Cdance 2. What makes this platform stand out is that it's truly an all-in-one solution. You can create standalone images, generate videos, produce audio, and manage all of your creative assets from a single place. And as we've already seen throughout this video, one of its strongest capabilities is creating professional advertisements. Now, if we return to the main dashboard once again and open the Avatar Video tool, you'll discover another powerful feature. From here, you can either create a brand new avatar or choose from the platform's extensive avatar library, which contains more than 1,500 avatars. That's a huge selection. You can use any of these avatars to create professional videos for product reviews, promotional content, marketing campaigns, and much more. You can even upload your own photo and transform it into an avatar using the Image to Avatar feature. Once your avatar is created, you can use it in all of your videos. Personally, I prefer using avatars in advertisements because they help create engaging content quickly and consistently. That's why I believe this section of the platform can be extremely valuable for anyone creating marketing videos on a regular basis. Let's head back to the homepage one more time and look at another tool called Video Ad. This feature allows you to create professional advertising videos directly from your product link, but it approaches the process a little differently. Let's test it together. For example, I'll paste my product link right here. Of course, you also have the option to manually enter your product information if you prefer, but in this case, I'll simply use the URL. Within moments, the platform analyzes the product and automatically gathers all the important details. It pulls the product title, description, images, and other relevant information. But here's what I really like. Before moving to each stage, the platform gives you options and allows you to make decisions. For example, it asks what video format you'd like to use. I'll select 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and other vertical video platforms. Next, it asks how long you want the advertisement to be. I'll choose 15 seconds. Then, it asks about the target audience, so it can tailor the advertisement specifically to the people most likely to purchase the product. This is a very important step because it helps the AI create a more effective marketing message. After that, the platform generates 5 different scripts for the advertisement and lets you choose the one you like best. Honestly, I think all of them look great. Once you approve the script, it allows you to select the avatar you'd like to use in the video. Then, the platform goes even further and creates 13 different video variations, each with a unique style and presentation. At that point, your job becomes incredibly simple. You just review the videos, choose your favorites, and download them. This is one of the reasons I'm so impressed by this workflow. It allows me to create multiple advertisements for the same product while reviewing every stage before moving on to the next one. That level of control makes it much easier to build different marketing angles, test multiple creatives, and find out what works best. And now, let's take a look at the final result.
Hack your toddler's learning routine in 2025.
With the ABC Genius Kids printable, transform your child's curiosity into a screen-free activity they'll request time after time. Each page has cute animals to color and names to trace, so they're building fine motor skills and letter recognition without even knowing it. Instant download, print at home, and you're set. Grab yours today.
As you can see, the outcome is impressive once again. Every time I use this process, I'm amazed by how quickly it can transform a simple product link into a complete advertising campaign. My friend, I highly recommend giving this platform a try today. Use it to create videos for all of the products you sell online, whether they're on Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, or any other marketplace. Then, publish those videos on social media, use them in your advertising campaigns, and put them in front of potential customers. The more visibility your products receive, the more opportunities you'll have to generate sales. I hope you found this video helpful and valuable. I'm confident that if you apply the strategies and techniques I've shown you today, you'll be able to create more promotional content, reach more customers, and potentially increase your sales significantly. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. I hope you learned something useful today, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.